Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are continuing with our series How We Address Allah. Another set of names that seem to contrast is Al-Jabbar, the compeller, and At-Tawwab, the ever-pardoning. Al-Jabbar refers to Allah's authority to compel and correct His creation, particularly when they are in need of guidance or discipline. On the other hand, At-Tawwab emphasizes His boundless mercy, offering forgiveness to those who repent. At first glance, these might seem like polar opposites, but when you reflect on them, you realize they're both facets of Allah's mercy. Al-Jabbar compels us, sometimes through hardship or trial, to come back to Him, and At-Tawwab welcomes us with open arms when we seek His forgiveness. Finally, there is Al-Hakam, the impartial judge, and Al-Adl, the just. While both names speak of Allah's justice, Al-Hakam refers to His role as the ultimate arbitrator, the one who makes the final decision in all matters. Meanwhile, Al-Adl is a name that emphasizes that Allah's justice is always perfectly balanced and never wrong. It may seem that these names could create a contradiction, but they actually complement each other. Al-Hakam ensures that no one can escape His judgment, while Al-Adl guarantees that His judgment is always based on fairness and truth. What we see here is that these names, though they may seem contradictory on the surface, actually work together to paint a picture of Allah's perfection. He is a balance of extremes, but in that balance lies complete harmony. His attributes are never in conflict with one another, but rather they reveal a depth of wisdom, justice, mercy, and love that no human mind can fully grasp. Coming to the negative names of Allah. So we have seen that some names of Allah may seem negative at first because they involve power, restriction, or justice. But in reality, they reflect His perfection, balance, and wisdom. Names like Al-Muntaqim, the Avenger, Al-Mani, the Withholder, Al-War, the Distresser, and Al-Khafid, the Abaser, might sound harsh, but they serve as a reminder that Allah is not only merciful, but also just. He withholds when something isn't good for us. He brings down the arrogant who oppress others. And He avenges those who were wrong. Without these names, we wouldn't fully understand Allah's role as the ultimate judge, the one who upholds fairness in the universe. Imagine a world where injustice goes unanswered. Would that be true mercy? Allah's names work in perfect harmony, ensuring that everything is balanced, measured, and in accordance with His infinite knowledge and wisdom. We will continue this in the next video, inshallah. Jazakallah khair for listening. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.